first one today. Nice little pickerel there. Come on, guys. Today I'm going to be doing some fishing around downtown Dartmouth. I'm going to be targeting the chain pickerel again. So I'm going to be starting here at Sullivan's Pond. I'm going to make my way up there to the start of the nook. Yeah, we're going to go check it out here soon. Chain pickerel of the day. Alright, so in the first like 30-45 minutes I was fishing. I was fishing at Sullivan's Pond. I caught one pickerel there and had another one bite, but I lost it off the hook. And I've been at Banook now a couple hours. I haven't had a single bite, so I'm gonna head back to Sullivan's Pond for a bit and then wrap this up. Alright, looks like we're just getting the one chain pickerel for the day. It's better than nothing, right? Once it starts getting warmer out and the water warms up, I'm definitely bringing my kayak out for some kayak fishing. And once the water warms up, hopefully we'll be able to catch some smallmouth bass too. Here's the first one today. Nice little pickerel there. Can't remember off the top of my head what this guy's called, but I just caught that pickerel on this little swim bait guy here. Yeah, I like this one. It works pretty good. There's some big fish swimming around here, but I'm not allowed to fish for these guys because these are in it's called a fish ladder. So like it's built to represent like a trout or a salmon's migration upstream. So you're not allowed to fish these guys, but look at the size of those sucker fish. Look at that, guys. That's amazing. Look at that, he almost went downstream. I wonder if these guys are stuck in there. Hopefully not. Look at that. See that? I think they might be stuck. Those things. Hopefully they're okay anyways. There's some big ones in there. Too bad I'm not allowed to catch them. See how that hook's in there? There's two of them in there. You always want to bring a pair of pliers for unhooking these guys. Incredible that just snapped as I was pulling it in. Look, you just bit the line clean off. That's why you usually want to use a lure, that's why you usually want to use a leader for these guys, because you know, they'll bite right through this 15-pound braid like it's nothing. Look at that. This one's a little bigger. Yeah, there we go. It's another small one.